Hey, so what is going on, everyone? A short video here to share with all of you. This is the Canon EOS Rebel SL2 DSLR camera that I purchased about 4 months ago, brand new. I use it very lightly in the house for YouTube videos. Let me show you what's happening here. When I flip out this LCD touchscreen, what I've noticed starting to happen is the glass is starting to actually detach or peel away from the housing or the frame here. You can see it right there along the edge. It's starting to come out. It has not completely come off, but I don't know if this is kind of isolated to just my particular camera or these models, or is this like a defective like LCD screen panel here. So I'd like to hear what you guys have to say about it. Has anyone experienced this with their Canon camera? Now, this is something that I could probably fix and correct myself by carefully removing that, putting some tape around there like double-sided tape or even glue. But since this camera is still under warranty, I contacted Canon and they were absolutely awesome on the phone. It took me 3 minutes. The guy sent me a paper and said there'd be no issues at all. Get your camera together, packaged up, and sent in, and they'll take care of it. So no problems with this camera. I would definitely purchase one again. This has been an awesome DSLR camera. I was just curious if, you know, I'm the only one experiencing that. He did say when I talked to him on the phone that he really never had anyone call in about that. That constant back and forth with the screen probably causing that to come apart there. So I know if I press that down, it actually sticks back, you know, in the housing there for a brief period of time, but the more I use it, then it pops right back out. So yeah, I'm not experiencing any screen issues. The touch screen works just fine. Again, awesome camera. Just wanted to hear what any of you had to say about it. Anyone else experienced? Please share those comments below. And if anyone has had this issue and you actually corrected it, could you please share that information below too for anyone else? Hopefully Canon can take a look at this and maybe they could like redesign that, you know, this little piece here to have a little, just a little lip on it. So with that constant spinning and back and forth motion of using this screen, that it would not come loose or detach from there. I don't know. I don't know that much about it. But anyway, thanks a lot for watching this video. Maybe, you know, you can relate to this issue too. Thanks guys. I will see you next time. Have a good one.